Hey Jack, help Mom with the laundry. Make sure you get it in there. So we dry the clothes. They're wet.
Wet.
We gotta dry them, don't we?
Jack's sock. Dad's sock. This sock.
Throw them in there.
Feet.
Yep, they go on Daddy's feet. They gotta be dry though. They're wet. Put it in the dryer so it can dry. Good helping.
Oh, these are heavy.
Push it in there. Good job.
Good job. Thank you. Sock. Thank you. Thank you, Jack.
Good job, pal. Put them all in there.
I swear there was something in here that just moved. I swear.
Mommy, find another mouse.
Something moved. I don't want to stick my hand back in there.
I'm not sticking my hand in there.
Jack asked Daddy to tell you about his mouse.
Dead mouse.
Thanks. Thanks.
Good job.
Good job.
Push them in there so you can close the door.
Here, put this in there. Dryer sheet. Put it in.
Put all the
Oh, pick it up and put it in.
put all the clothes in there. Push them in.
Push it in. Here, push it in. Okay, close the door.
All right.
Good job.
Good help, pal.
Oh, good job. Yay.
All right. Thanks, Jack.
Thanks for helping.
What do you say when you say thanks? What do you say? Say welcome.